The wait is finally over. And if you have been clutching your Fujifilm X-Pro 3 or searching the used market for a rangefinder that actually feels like a tool rather than a toy, then 2026 is the year everything changes. For years, the X-Pro line has been the soul of Fujifilm, a series that prioritized the tactile experience of photography over the sterile perfection of modern mirrorless specs. But after the X-Pro 3 was discontinued in 2023, a massive void was left in the lineup. Now, as we move through 2026, the whispers have turned into a roar, and the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 is no longer just a wish list item. It is the most anticipated piece of glass and magnesium alloy in the industry. This isn't just a spec bump or a lazy refresh, because Fujifilm executives themselves have gone on record stating that simply dropping a new sensor into the old body would be boring, and they wanted to create something that truly satisfies the expert user. We are looking at a camera that bridges the gap between the nostalgic era of film and the uncompromising power of 2026 technology, featuring the rumored 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor that has already redefined what APS-C is capable of in terms of raw resolution and cropping power. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. But the sensor is just the beginning of the story, because the real magic of the X-Pro 4 lies in how it handles the controversial legacy of its predecessor. Many of you remember the hidden screen of the X-Pro 3, a design choice that split the community right down the middle, and the latest leaks suggest Fujifilm has listened to the feedback by implementing a more versatile, high-resolution tilting mechanism that doesn't sacrifice the pure photography ethos. Imagine having a screen that stays tucked away when you want to focus on the moment, but flips out with rugged durability when you need to nail a low-angle shot in a crowded New York street. This internal debate within Fujifilm about how to evolve the rangefinder form factor is exactly why it has taken so long to arrive. But the result is a body that finally includes in-body image stabilization, or IBIS, a feature many thought would never fit into the slim X-Pro chassis. This means you can now shoot handheld at shutter speeds that were previously impossible, making those late-night urban explorations or moody, low-light portraits look tack-sharp without the need for a tripod. When we talk about the heart of the X-Pro 4, we have to talk about the X-Processor 5, which brings sophisticated AI-driven subject recognition and tracking to a body style that used to be strictly manual-focused. We are seeing autofocus capabilities that can lock onto eyes, faces, animals, and even vehicles with a level of tenacity that rivals the X-T5, ensuring that the decisive moment is never missed because the camera was hunting for focus. This is a massive leap for street photographers who need to react in a split second. Furthermore, the hybrid viewfinder, which is the signature of the X-Pro series, has reportedly been overhauled with a 5.76 million resolution electronic component, offering a view so clear it almost feels optical, while maintaining that classic glass-through-the-window experience for those who want to see the world outside the frame. The sheer engineering required to pack this much tech into a weather-sealed, titanium-coated body is why the X-Pro 4 is being hailed as a masterpiece of 2026. As we dive deeper into the video capabilities, the X-Pro 4 is breaking the stills-only reputation of the series by potentially offering 6.2K internal recording and 4K at 60 frames per second with 10-bit color depth. While it remains a photographer's camera first, the inclusion of professional-grade video specs means it can serve as a high-end B-cam or a primary tool for documentary filmmakers who want that discreet, rangefinder aesthetic. There is also talk of new film simulations that leverage the increased processing power, giving us deeper control over grain structure and color science that mimics legendary film stocks more accurately than ever before. With an expected release window following the X-T6 in late 2026, the X-Pro 4 is positioning itself not just as a camera, but as a statement. It is a tool for those who find joy in the process, who value the click of a physical dial, and who have been waiting for a prof's Cyano-grade rangefinder that doesn't carry a five-figure Leica price tag. The X-Pro 4 is the culmination of everything Fujifilm has learned over the last decade, and it is ready to reclaim its throne as the ultimate street photography machine.